Laura, we've got a problem with this batch. The chocolates came out with uneven shapes. I've raised a nonconformity report, NCR. A nonconformity report is a formal document used to record when something doesn't meet a standard or specification. It makes sure the issue is officially tracked. Tom, an NCR? Is it that serious? When someone reacts with surprise, like Tom does, it shows how important NCRs are in industries where quality control is strict. Yes, the deviation from the standard mold is too large. Customers would notice immediately. A deviation is the difference between what is expected or required and what is actually produced. In this case, the chocolate shapes don't match the standard mold. Tom. So, we'll mark this batch number as out of spec. A batch number is a unique code used to identify a specific group of products made at the same time. If something is out of spec, it means it doesn't meet the required quality standards. Exactly, and we need to quarantine the pallets until we're sure none of them reach the market. To quarantine products means to isolate them so they cannot be used or shipped until their quality is confirmed. It's like putting them on hold for safety. Tom, I guess the root cause might be the new machine settings. We rushed the setup. The root cause is the fundamental reason why a problem occurred. Here, Tom suspects that incorrect machine settings caused the defect. That's possible. A corrective action could be retraining the operators and recalibrating the equipment. Corrective action means taking specific steps to eliminate the cause of a nonconformity so the same problem doesn't happen again. Tom, okay, I'll start with the operators today. Can you document the testing methodology you used? The testing methodology is the detailed procedure or method used to carry out a test. Documenting it helps ensure transparency and repeatability. Already done. And don't forget we have a quality audit next week. They'll check if we followed all procedures. A quality audit is a systematic and independent review to verify if processes and results comply with planned standards. It's a way to confirm everything is being done properly. Tom, great timing. Let's make sure we pass with flying colors. The idiom pass with flying colors means to succeed very well or achieve something with great success.